If you spend over a lakh a month on credit cards but only earn a few thousand in rewards, this video is for you. I built a tool that tells you exactly which credit card route gets you to your next trip the fastest. No guessing, no top 10 cards list. Just your numbers, your destination, and a calculated path. Let me show you how it works end to end live. This is Rewardtactix.com. The promise on the homepage is simple. Take what you already spend every month on credit cards, turn it into free flights and hotel stays. The tool figures out the route. I click See My Travel Rewards Plan to start. First step, pick your destination. 20 plus places. Indian Ocean, Maldives, Mauritius. Southeast Asia, Bali, Bangkok, Phuket, Singapore, Tokyo and Kyoto. In East Asia, Dubai and Doha, Paris, London, Rome, Berlin, New York, Toronto, Sydney. Basically, any destination an Indian traveler would actually want. I am picking Maldives for this walkthrough. Next, the trip itself. Two styles, business plus luxury stay for premium travel, or economy plus smart stay if you are optimizing on a budget. I'll go with luxury for this walkthrough. 5 nights, 2 travelers. Skip the existing points filled for now. Then the important part. This is where most credit card advice fails. Generic articles tell you use this card for everything, but your card is only as good as how you spend. So I tell the tool how my 150,000 a month actually breaks down. Travel 20%, dining 15%, online shopping 30%, retail 25%, fuel 10%. Adds to 100. This is roughly what a typical urban professional in India looks like. I hit calculate my reality. And here is where it gets interesting. The first thing it tells me, 45% of my reward efficiency is being left on the table right now. Then the timeline comparison. On my current setup, I reach Maldives in 20 and a half months, almost 2 years. With the right card routed correctly, 12 months saves 8 and a half months. Same spending, same lifestyle, different math. The difference is 14,000 points a month versus 25,000 points a month for the same money out of my pocket. The tool also tells me why I'm slow. 3 reasons. My current output of 14,000 points a month is too low for a Maldives goal. I'm not stacking cards across categories, and I have no transfer strategy into Singapore Airlines Cruise Flyer, which is the airline you actually want for Maldives. Then it recommends a specific card, HDFC Infinia, and critically, it tells me how to use it. Route 37,500 a month to retail spending. That alone earns about 990 points monthly. Generic advice says use Infinia, but this is use Infinia, route retail spending here, earn 990 a month, specific, actionable. And then the action plan. 3 steps, that's it. 1. Apply for the card. The tool tells me my approval odds are strong here. 2. Route my top categories. Start with online spending. That's where Infinia gives 5x earn rate. This accelerates the first reward jump. 3. Unlock the first milestone bonus around month 6 at my current spend. 3 steps. That's the entire plan to compress my Maldives timeline from 20 months to 12. The starter tier is free. Always, it gives you what I just walked through, the timeline, the recommended card, and the action plan. If you want deeper compression, there is a premium and elite, 8 months and 5 months respectively. These add transfer optimization, execution timing, and multi-card strategy. They cost 29 and 49 rupees one time. No subscriptions. But here is the honest part. The main way Rewardtactix actually makes money is when you click through and apply for the credit card it recommends. If you get approved, the bank pays me a referral commission. You pay nothing extra. which means I have zero incentive to recommend the wrong card. If the recommendation doesn't fit you, you don't get approved. I don't get paid. The math has to be right or the model breaks. Rewardtactix.com. Free starter tire. Takes about 60 seconds to run your numbers. Try it with your actual spending and your actual destination. See how many months faster you could reach it. If the answer surprises you, and it usually does, come back and tell me in the comments which destination you are aiming for. I am reading every reply. Subscribe to Perceptum for more breakdowns like this, one every week. Thanks for watching.